Welcome to Full Course Online. In this Excel beginner tutorial, we will explore merge and center, wrap text, and text orientation. Let's begin with merge and center. We have table of monthly report. Let us give it a heading. We want this heading to be large and in center. The best way to do it to use merge option. Select two or more cells where you want to place a heading. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click Merge and Center. The cells combine into one, and your text appears neatly in the center. Let's make the text bold and change the font size. That's beautiful. Now let's use wrap text. Type a long sentence into a cell. The text is overlapping other cells. To fix this problem, click the Wrap Text button in the Alignment group. The text will automatically move to the next line inside the same cell, making it fully visible without spilling into other cells. Finally, let's change text orientation. Type some text in the cell. Select a cell and click the Orientation button in the Alignment group. You can rotate the text vertically, angle it diagonally, or flip it for unique designs. Now let us merge the cells and change the background. Merge and center, wrap text, and orientation give you full control over how text looks in your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching this tutorial from Full Course Online. If you are enjoying this Excel series, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons.